quite dramatic indeed, Stephen. What we've been told by law enforcement is that the deceased allegedly shot at law enforcement first, where we understand that at some point he exited his vehicle and was shooting at the Hawks while he was running. But the family, specifically the wife of the deceased, has now refuted a number of claims that have been leveled against him. I mean, you've mentioned that he's connected to 7 murders, including the murder of a SAPS officer named Mnqobi Shange, who also lived in this very community. I'm going to bring in the wife of the deceased. Firstly, thank you very much for your time. Uqala nje ma sizwe ukade ukhuluma nathi eqaleni usho ukuthi akusiyena umyeni wakho odubule kuqala, uyakwazi futhi lokho ngenxa yokuthi isibhamu sakho uyasazi ukuthi sikhala kanjani ngenxa yokuthi nike nihambe naye kwi-shooting range. Mhlawumbe nje ukusichazela ukuthi kwenzakaleni ekseni nanokuthi lezi ibhamu izwile uzweni.
Ekseni ngabo 4 mangaphosisi beko 4 eduze kwendlu kukhale isibhamu kawu4 phezulu esikhulu. Wathi uyaphuma because ujwayele ukuthi aphuma abheke ukuthi kwenzakalani makhala isibhamu la ngaphandle. Ngithi mina hayi awuvazi ulale nasebusuku. Awulala usuzovuka emsebenzini ongaphumi mhlawumbe umuntu oyigangelayo nje ngoba sidubulanga umuntu isibhamu. Then ahlaleke avuke ngo5 ageze. Alungi ujwayele ukuphuma ngo5 la endlini but uphume ngo6. Utheme ephuma nje ubungakapheli u5 minutes ephumile saqhuma isibhamu esikhulu. Ngaphuma ngoba ngibuka isikhathi aphume ngaso la endlini. Ngabuka isikhathi isibhamu esikhala ngaso nendawo ekhala kusona. Ngithe mangiphuma ngithi ngibona amaphoyisa ehamba nomunye. Apheze ibhamu enkulu. Ngigijime ngicela ingane ngivulele igate ngigijime ngithi ngiya kuyisini. Mangifika khona amaphoyisa ngasondela bese ngingena komunye umuzi. Bachazele la esijwayelene khona umama khona nobaba khona. Bathi hayi bayizwile lento le. Bangibize bathi hayi angibuyi angayi kwisini bazozongibiza. Ngithe ngisaxoxa nalo mama lo maphoyisa ezengala la wamdubulile. Athe mefika la kwabona sezala endlini ngigijime ngize la endlini. Afika safuna isibhamu. Ngasho ukuthi hayibo akanasi isibhamu esingekho emthethweni lo muntu isibhamu asiphethe sikuyena esakhe esimthethweni futhi. Ayisho ukuthi bangangizwa bekhona nebhunu nomlungu if I'm not mistaken nabantu abawuthu abamnyama bapeqeke ekamereni bapeqe excuse bafune no care safety banikeze futhi because ngiyazi ayikho into yobugebengu efihliwe la endlini angithandani nesigebengu bavezele yonke into bathe bejika bese ngiyababuza nimbuleleni wenzeni nimbulele bathi hayi asimbulele uright bavele bathi bacela icopy ID ngathi senembulele ke obvious nganifuna icopy ID bese ngiyabacela ke okubuhlungu abakwenzileke ngibacele ngithi ubezobuya kunemali enga 1.5 esikhwameni sakhe se-laptop kunemali esebhlukweni lakhe elako 500 bese kuyikhabhini kube khona enye imali ade ezofaka ngawo petrol busuphela emotweni edlula ukufaka upetrol ngithi lo mali leyo esesikhwameni se-laptop nesikhaftini uhambe engasiphethe ezobuyisa izinto zengane because ingane ayisenalo ubisi okubuhlungu kakhulu ke bayithathile lezo zinto newashi lakhe legolide amaphoyisa ethu ase-South Africa ngibacelile ukuthi ingane bayabona uyise ngane ushonile akuyasekho emhlabeni but abangicabangeli mina.
Mhlambe nje ungixolele mangokungena emlomeni ukhuluma ngokuthi awuthandani nesigebengu. Amaphoyisa athi umbandakanyeka ngokubulawa kwabantu abayisikhombisa kanye nokubulawa kwephoyisa. Niyamazi nina la ekhaya uMnqobi Shange?
uMnqobi Shange sezwa ngaye. Okubuhlungu iqiniso mhlambe ngeliphinde livele. Ngoba sethula ungcono kuba bambulalanga bahambile bayombopha khona bezokwazi iqiniso. uMnqobi Shange uyena owadubula edrivisa kabi umnyeni wami ngalolo la ngikhumbula kahle umnyeni wami okwesinyama eyongesela inyama ngithi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukupheka la endlini eyongosela inyama wadubula uMnqobi Shange edubula emotweni kuyikhosa besahamba ngekhosa elimhlophe ngaloso sikhathi leso and okubuhlungu istatement isaphuma ukuthi umnqobi Shange akadutshulwanga imoto yekhosa kwaqhamuka imoto ngemuva eyadubulayo kuyistory engasitshela umnyeni wami leso nestatement futhi saphuma sasho something emaphoyiseni.
Lena yona eyokubulawa kwabantu abayisikhombisa usuke wayizwa noma uqala ukizwa namuhla sike sakubona kwisini ubu emotional kakhulu mhlawumbe ukusichazela nje uyalazi udaba lalaba abayisikhombisa nabasebengasekho emhlabeni.
Mina bengayena umbulali bangase babakhiphe ngamagama labo bantu abayisikhombisa ukuthi ubani babulele ave ngajabula nami ngakuthola ukuphumula emoyeni wami. Kodwa into engiyibona emaphoyiseni ukuthi nawa corrupt if uzwile kuthiwa umuntu because nginesho abayibona ngalento abakhuluma ngayo bazwile kunomuntu obatshelile ukwenza u1 no 2 no 3 why bengafuna ukuzwa amacala wonke why bengamnikezanga because uthiwe umbulalo omkhulu obvious umuntu obulala 7 wabantu lo muntu umbulalo omkhulu umnyana bengayena umbulali okubhlungu kakhulu ilokho and angeke ngize ngikhulume kakhulu because mhlambe nami ngingavuka ekseni sengicuthelwa amaphoyisa la sekuthiwa ngifile engingakusho nje ukuthi kubhlungu abangizwise kona ngiyayifisa futhi justice for umnyeni wami naleli phoyisa I hope alinayo umfazi alinazi ingane lidubula umnyeni wami lo muntu ushiya ingane nonyaka emhlabeni wayishiya ingenali ikopi ihluka abanaso basese nemali yekopi kodwa egcineni bazothi ubulala abantu abawu7 ngasiphi isikhathi lo muntu uhleze esemsebenzini ukwebe bemlandela impilo yakhe beyibona yonke hleze esemsebenzini mengekho emsebenzini behamba ekhweni lakhe mengekho ekhweni lakhe hleli la endlini akayena nanomuntu othanda ukuyikhipha indawo ade yakuyona nje ube yestokfeleni kuphela so ngishocked uma ukuthi kuthiwa ubulala abantu abawu7.
Okay siyabonga kakhulu ma siyabonga kakhulu Stephen, that's the wife of the deceased. Coming from that conversation, she refutes those claims that have been made by law enforcement where they state that the deceased can be linked to 7 murders. She states that her husband is not a killer, and those are the words coming from her at this very moment. She also states that he was not the one that shot first. In fact, she states that she knows the sound of her husband's firearm, and it was not the firearm that she heard go off this very morning. However, she also stated earlier on that they were meant to move from this very area. They had just bought a house in another area, but also we know that the deceased can be linked to the construction industry, where in fact even at this very moment there's a number of people that do work for him that are outside the residence here. But lastly, Stephen, we know coming from law enforcement, they do state that he is from the Eastern Cape. We're told that he was using 2 different surnames. His wife, even at this very moment, stating that that is in fact not true. So it seems as if there's a number of allegations that have been leveled against the 36-year-old deceased suspect. However, his wife standing by her husband, stating that he was not a killer and that those allegations are not true.